Well, in general, I think in breast cancer we have a flurry of activity in terms of developing new drugs. Clearly, we had made a lot of progress for the treatment of HER2-positive breast cancer with adjuvant therapies, both in the adjuvant and neoadjuvant setting, and also what we call the post-neoadjuvant setting, where the antibody-drug conjugates have been found to be effective for patients that do not achieve a pathological complete response. For triple-negative breast cancer, the introduction of immunotherapy and the checkpoint inhibitors have made a big difference in terms of improving pathological complete response and improving also event-free survival. And now we have a drug approved for that, pembrolizumab. And so that has created a lot of enthusiasm in this field. So in HER2-positive patients, of course, we have several other drugs in the metastatic setting that have really improved on long-term outcomes, even in patients with stage 4 disease, and those drugs continue to be developed. So a very exciting time, both in the tumors that we considered aggressively initially. For the ER-positive and HER2-negative patients, as we discussed previously, the whole craft is to actually identify the patients, the small proportion of patients that need chemotherapy and need more additional aggressive therapy, and the majority of the others probably you can treat with endocrine therapy, which is much better tolerated. And in that field, of course, the introduction of CDK inhibitors and the demonstration that one of the CDK inhibitors, abemaciclib, improved disease-free survival for patients at high risk for recurrence, also created a major advancement in this field as well. So in general, new drugs are being developed on a weekly basis, and even a year goes with 3-4 approvals of new indications for breast cancer as well as other cancers. So it's a great time for our patients, and we continue to make improvements.